how to install WhatsApp on Windows 10. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. Now all you basically have to do is open up your browser. It can be Chrome or whatever, and you just have to search for WhatsApp web right there, and once you've searched for that, you can see download. Now you just have to click on download and accept the cookies and download it here for Mac or Windows PC. Now you can just click on Windows 64-bit and that will start this download. You just keep the file and you just have to wait for it to download the exe, and once that has been downloaded, you just want to open it up. Now if you open it up, we just have to install it, so we're just going to wait for it to open up, and yeah, it's currently already opening up, so that's good. Right here it says to use WhatsApp on your computer, open WhatsApp on your phone, tap the menu icon or settings and select WhatsApp web. Point your phone to the screen to capture the code. Now the code actually isn't loading for me, so I don't know why that is. Oh yeah, it's loaded now. So I'm just going to open my WhatsApp on my phone, go to the settings, and then click on WhatsApp web and then scan the code. So I have now scanned my code, and as you can see, I am now logged into my WhatsApp account, and I can see all my chats on the left. So that's good. That's how you can install Windows 10 or WhatsApp on Windows 10. And I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.